In this video, I will show you how to make a poll in Snapchat. Snapchat eventually introduced an easy way to create polls directly within the app using the sticker function. If you'd like to create a poll to add your Snapchat story, simply follow these steps. Open your Snapchat app. Either take or upload a photo, even if it's just a black screen. Tap on the sticker button on the right of the screen. Select Poll near to top. Type the text portion of your poll. Make it a question. Tap on My Story near the bottom. Your poll will be directly posted to your story for all of your Snapchat friends to see. As with all stories, the poll will only last for 24 hours before it is no longer available for your friends to see. Sending a poll to a secret group of people. Maybe you don't want your entire Snapchat friend list to be able to answer to your poll. If that's the case, posting it to your story may not be the best idea. Either consider sending it to just a handful of people. To do so, simply follow these steps. Open your Snapchat app. Either take or upload a photo, even if it's just a black screen. Tap the sticker button right of the screen. Tap on Poll from the top menu. Select Poll. Type the text portion of your poll, make it a question. Tap on Next and select the friends you'd like to receive the poll. This was your poll will only go to a desired group of people, not your entire friend list. This can be handful if you are trying to ask a question about a more sensitive or secretive subject. Maybe you are planning a surprise party for a friend and don't want them to know. By this way, you can add a poll on your Snapchat app and send it as a story or send it to your friends. Please subscribe the channel to get this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.